Hey everyone, let's kick off the video. I want you to first start by clicking here in the useful commands template, and we'll open this in order to retrieve some commands in order to speed things up. And then we go here to our parameter tuning, and we're going to start a new script as well. So go to more and then Google Collaboratory. And here you go. And the way that I'm going to do it, so first let me put this into English, and then the other one I also go and put it into English. So here we go. And next up, let me add here the title, which is going to be, or basically let me check how I named it. So Facebook Profit, and here you go. So Facebook Profit hyphen parameter tuning, and then we add template. And let me start here with a text, and which will be libraries and data, and this should be enough. And now we start by actually mounting the Google Drive. So connecting, let me connect to the Google Drive. You can see that this appeared to me, so I can just click on it, do Control Enter to make it run. Yes, connect to the Google Drive. It's also asking me request to access my account, which I'm going to say okay, and then I'm going to allow. This will be it. It happens from time to time that this appears. I don't know why the frequency, or I don't even know the reason, since ideally I would just click on a button, but that's not the case. So let me close this here, and I'm going to my useful commands. I'm going to copy this. Basically, this is not what I wanted. I want to select everything. So Control A, Control C, and then over here, Control V. So change the directory. And then next up, let me get our libraries, Control C and Control V and Shift Enter. And then, so load the data, and here we go. Here I do want to make a few changes, because if I do Control Enter, I get here the date in the index, and I don't want this. So I want my date as a regular column. It's part of Facebook Profit, but that's how it is. So I just do Control Enter, and that is it. And then the last command, rename variable, which I also need to make a slight change. And here you go. So Control V, and then over here, I also need to change the date variable to DS. So this is part of the rules. The time series must be called Y, and the date must be called DS. So date, and then colon, and then DS. And let me do Control Enter, and here we go. So we see the DS over here on the left. And with this, we have made the preparations. In the next video, we're going to make a slight adjustment. Until then, have fun.